An over 50% rise in the international crude oil prices in last 4 months has triggered unprecedented surge in the petroleum prices across South Asia. From India to Afghanistan and Pakistan to Nepal, people have grown frustrated with the oil prices and are protesting on streets.
With the latest rise of ₹2 in petrol prices, student unions in Himalayan nation Nepal took to streets in Kathmandu and raised slogans against the caretaker Prime Minister KP Sharma Oli. They say petrol prices have gone up by ₹9 in past few months. Not just Nepal, countries across South Asia which are heavily dependent on petrol to meet their daily needs are witnessing angry demonstrations. International crude oil prices have gone up by as much as 50% in last 4 months after petrol exporting countries rebounded to their pre-pandemic capacity. OPEC and its allies have also increased production cuts, triggering drop in the supply. Locals, however, in Nepal believe that the political parties are exploiting the situation and are filling their coffers for campaign purposes through petrol price rise.
यो असंवैधानिक सरकारले चुनावको नाटक मञ्चन गरेर र चुनाव खर्च उठाउने जो गर्ने गलत उद्देश्यका साथ एक हप्तामा जनताको प्रत्यक्ष दैनिकीसँग प्रभाव गर्ने कुरा पेट्रोलियम पदार्थमा हप्तामा 2 पटक मूल्य वृद्धि गरेको छ.
People in Pakistan too have been hurt by the petroleum prices. They are accusing the government of incompetence for not being able to manage the crisis. Residents say they have suffered double whammy as an unprecedented inflation has already hit their pockets dearly.
पहले इतनी महंगाई हो गई कि लोग जो है वो आटे दाल से और अपने बच्चों की बुराई से और अब जो महंगाई हो रही है फीस देने से लोग कासर हैं, बच्चे स्कूल नहीं जा रहे, घरों में गैस नहीं आ रही, बिजली की मुश्किल है. उसके ऊपर गवर्नमेंट ने एक और बम फेंक दिया कि हमें पेट्रोल की महंगाई दे दी है. ये कौन सा तोहफा दे रही है गवर्नमेंट हमें? ये किस जुर्म की सजा मिल रही है हमें? क्या इसलिए कि हम तब्दीली चाहते थे? ये क्या तब्दीली हो रही है? ये तो अवाम मर जाएगी. इससे अच्छा कि गवर्नमेंट हमें वैसे ही मार दे, कोई चीज़ दे दे, हम खा के मर जाए. ये पेट्रोल दिन पे दिन महंगा हो रहा है. आप तो कहते थे कि महंगाई कम होगी, ये क्या महंगाई कम हो रही है? अवाम बहुत ज़्यादा परेशान है. अवाम क्या करे? अवाम तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा परेशान है. वज़ीर आज़म साहब कुछ करें.
The petrol and diesel prices are deregulated in India, which means a surge in the international prices directly affects the companies and hence the consumer in the country. Country's major oil needs are met by imports. The government does have an option of reducing the tax it collects through petroleum, but experts say that will impact its revenue that has already suffered since the pandemic outbreak. In this case scenario, it only appears that people are going to suffer for some more time until the international market lowers its prices.